Welcome to our Gimbal Showdown. Today, we will be comparing two popular smartphone gimbals, the JCROBOT iSleeky L7C and the AOCHUAN 3-axis gimbal. Both of these devices promise to enhance your video recording experience, but which one truly stands out? Let's dive into their features and see how they stack up against each other. Both the JCROBOT iSleeky L7C and the AOCHUAN gimbal provide impressive 3-axis stabilization, ensuring your videos remain smooth and shake-free. The JCROBOT excels with its compact design, making it easy to carry around, while the AOCHUAN offers additional features like built-in fill light, enhancing your shooting experience in low-light conditions. However, the real question is, which one delivers better stabilization in real-world scenarios? Let's find out. When it comes to battery life, the AOCHUAN gimbal takes the lead with a longer-lasting battery compared to the JCROBOT. The JCROBOT's battery life may leave users wanting more, especially during extended shooting sessions. If you're planning to shoot for longer periods, the AOCHUAN's superior battery performance could be a deciding factor. Both gimbals come with unique features that cater to different needs. The AOCHUAN gimbal's built-in fill light is a fantastic addition for users who often shoot in dim environments, providing much-needed illumination. On the other hand, the JCROBOT's compact and foldable design makes it incredibly portable, which is a significant advantage for on-the-go videographers. Depending on your shooting style, one of these features may tip the scales in favor of one product over the other. In conclusion, both the JCROBOT iSleeky L7C and the AOCHUAN 3-axis gimbal offer excellent features for smartphone videography. The best choice ultimately depends on your specific needs, whether you prioritize battery life, additional features, or portability. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons and reviews.